Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is July 22nd, 2019, where we just don't talk about the news. We see where the news is going to go according to the price charts. And we're going to look at this article right here on the left side of my screen, talking about Chainlink and how these particular type of articles benefit us none at all. Okay. We're going to talk about that momentarily. But before I get started, I definitely want to continue to remind you all to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you become notified when we upload this simple to see and understand price prediction. And as well, check us out at our website at HueFinancial.com. So now, Chainlink. If you guys are avid watchers of the cryptocurrency space, this particular currency has saw a massive increase to the upside around the beginning or ending half of June. Now, since then, Chainlink has lost about 50% of its value since that time. Clearly, you can tell that the market in Chainlink is weak. But this article here gives you the same depiction, but they always whipsaw against the bearish sentiment and the bullish sentiment, something that we need to start targeting because these articles do not benefit us one bit. So now let's look at this article right here. Okay. It's about 5 days ago that this article came out, and it's talking about some technical indicators regarding the sentiment of Chainlink and its movement higher and or lower. Now, the long-term price prediction, they have written bearish. Okay. Now, starting from June 30th, Chainlink was trading around $5 a token. Now, the price drop has brought Chainlink down by approximately 50% over the past 17 days, which is obvious. But then it goes on to state that we could see Link explore immediate support levels at $2 and $1.60. However, there's still a room for the RSI, which is a technical indicator, to contain price drops. However, again, whipsawing against its sentiment as to what they expect the market to do. However, is at its lowest on the stochastic RSI, another technical indicator that causes confusion, producing a bullish cross, technical jargon, which could fuel the price as high as $2.50 to $2.70 to $3.20 to $3.70. All these prices is what they're expecting the market and Chainlink to do. Now, didn't the article on top state that the long-term price prediction is bearish, which means they're expecting this coin to move lower? Then why in the world would they write that there's still room for a bullish cross to see price go as high as $2.50, $2.70, all the way up to $3.70? You have just written that your long-term price prediction is bearish. So everything below that should speak on that alone. Why would you try to throw in a whipsaw stating that Chainlink can move higher? Again, medium term price prediction, bearish. Okay. The technical indicators are reading extremely oversold market alongside a substantially low amount of volume as revealed on the price chart. This simply shows the money inflow and liquidity are submerged over the past few days. Okay. It's important to note the sellers are very active and dominant in this market. Hence, maybe why they got a bearish sentiment for the medium term. Inversely, again, if you're stating in the beginning half of this paragraph that you're looking for a Chainlink to move lower, then why would you give a situation to where a bullish regroup can bring the price higher? Again, $2.50, $2.70, $3, $3.30. Just like it did in his long-term prediction. It just doesn't make sense. By then, the stochastic RSI will then signal a positive cross along with the RSI for bullish confirmation. But you're predicting Chainlink to move lower. We have to do better. You have to give a biased position when you're giving out your analysis as to what you think the market to do. Now we're going to end off with this one. In the short term, they're still looking for Chainlink to move lower. On the hourly price chart, the bears, talking about the sellers, are still gaining control of the market. More confusion, which may. And then the stochastic RSI is at its highest condition. Selling pressure is compounding for the next rally. So are you expecting Chainlink to move higher or lower? This is causing nothing but confusion. Yes, the price chart is clearly giving you indications that the market is weak, but then you try to throw in RSI and stochastics RSIs into the mix, you become more confused. That's why they're giving you the market can go bullish or move higher. But you're predicting the market to move lower. So which is it? Be careful of watching videos on individuals who give you both sides of the market. The market can only go one way. It cannot go both ways. And they need to give you convincing evidence to state why they feel the market is going to go this particular direction, which we do. And we're going to show you that now with Chainlink paired against the dollar. So now, obviously, you can tell that we saw a massive increase in price for Chainlink starting right here on the 14th of May, all the way topped out around 625% market move on the 29th of June. Powerful. Powerful. Since then, the market in Chainlink has dropped from 625%, lost about 56% of that market move. Now, clearly you can tell that the market in Chainlink is in a downward move. No problem with that at all. Hence the prediction of the market moving lower. Now, when you look at Chainlink on the 4-hour chart, you can clearly tell that the market has broken $2.60 that was acting as support here. Right? So we already know that the market is definitely giving us indications of weakness. We're in a downtrend. We broke a crucial area of support right there. So the weakness is still present. We saw the market move breakout start around this particular area, right? And if you carry this all the way up to the lows of those particular days, we have already bounced once on these 4-hour bars right there on this support line. So we are creating an ascending line in the market, or ascending triangle, in the market for Chainlink. All right. There's another resistance area around $2.80. But seeing that we are trading around this resistance area, we're going to hold that there in the market. Okay. So convincingly, the price chart is telling you already that the market in Chainlink is weaker than it is stronger. Plain and simple. The basis for strength coming to the market has not revealed itself yet. The expectation is still for Chainlink to continue its movement to the downside. But I'm here to tell you that I'm not seeing a dramatic movement to the downside. Okay. Even from where we are right now, in the market in Chainlink, the expectation is really for it to hold consolidation. A very good support area is going to be right there around $2.40, but I'm going to bring it down around this particular area in the market for a cushion around $2.30. And that's about it. We're going to play this on the small time frame because, like I stated, I don't see a massive move coming through in Chainlink right now. We're definitely in a downtrend, so that's the way the market is going to go. We have broken this resistance area, well, the support area, to the downside, which lends to the viewer that the market is going to continue to move lower. We got TP around $2.40 though. Okay, that would be about 4% profit in the market on that move. Okay, a lot of our predictions, if you guys see on our channel, is for many of these altcoins paired against the dollar to move to the downside. It hasn't happened yet, but we're not getting any more convincing news that the market is going to move higher. So we're still following that same idea that these currencies paired against the dollar is going to continue their trek to the downside, and ultimately for Chainlink, right around $2.20 has to be support in order for us to at least recap and regain this strength that started all the way in the beginning half of June 2019. Okay, so this is our expectations in the market for Chainlink. That's the article there. The link will be in the description of the video if you guys want to continue to read up on it. But again, convincingly, the bias move in the market right now is movement to the downside in Chainlink. So that's the expectation. We're not going to give you both sides of the fence because we understand that the market only moves in one way. It can't go both ways. So be careful of those individuals that try to give you both plays in the market, because you can't get both plays. You just need to understand that when the market turns against your original bias, then you just change it. All right. So make sure you guys go ahead and continue to like, share these videos, subscribe to our channel, and as well, check us out at our website, HueFinancial.com, if you want to get more of our predictions, price movement for the altcoin market. Make sure y'all maintain your profitability, and I will see you later.